Topmost on the list of demands from the various speakers who addressed the August visitor was the need to put the ugly incidents of the past behind, especially the demolition exercise recently carried out at a section of the multi-billion naira Alaba International Market by the Lagos State government, and the fire incident at Akare Spare Part Market at Olodepapa in order to forge ahead. Their primary focus for now is the unity of the Igbos and the need to be integrated at the national level for more relevance. This is what they want Hope Uzodinma to take to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on their behalf.
It is high time the governors, which I know, under the leadership of the chairman, will galvanize all the governors, can we focus where investors can come.
The information reaching us, that demolition exercise was done wrongly without proper or due process. So we have come to beg our governor, since he's here in Lagos State, and other governors from the eastern region, to go to the governor of Lagos State and beg him for him to send maybe people or delegate that will come to Alaba International Market to investigate what the causes of that demolition.
Governor Uzodinma and his counterpart from the Enugu State, who also graced the event, used the occasion to address some salient issues in the southeast, especially the upcoming security summit, where they intend to address the security challenge in the zone.
We've been told and sought for our intervention. We will dialogue. We will find out what the issues are with the state government. We will continue to work as a government with the necessary courage that it requires to ensure that there will be security and people will be able to do their businesses.
Monday sit-at-home thing now, it only exists in the minds of people. But in reality, our people go out to work on Mondays.
Governor Hope Uzodinma and his entourage later retired for a closed-door meeting where they intend to harmonize their demands ahead of the planned visit to the Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwuolu.